What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cryptology, where we talk all things crypto and cryptocurrency investing. It's Jake here with Jaron. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is your #1 place to learn info on crypto. And on today's episode, we're going to be doing a tutorial with Jaron on how you can get started investing in cryptocurrency right now. Jaron, if you want to go ahead and get into it.
Thanks for having me here, first of all. But today we're going to talk about some great coins.
Wait. All right, my mind is going crazy. Enough with these tutorials. We got to do something. We're at 750 plus subscribers. These subscribers are fantastic. We need to give away an NFT. We need to give away an NFT. And you know what? I'm thinking a moon Lambo. As a matter of fact, no. A gold moon Lambo. We need to give them a gold moon Lambo.
Okay, man.
All right, well, I'm just going to let you guys, I'm losing my mind. I don't know what to do. All I know is you guys need to figure this out. They need a Lambo. They need a Lambo quick. All right, you guys take care of this. Give them a Lambo.
So I guess we're not doing a tutorial video. Apparently, we're going to be giving away a Lambo, a moon Lambo?
Gold-plated moon Lambo.
Okay. Guys, once we have 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away this gold-plated moon Lambo. So hurry up, like, comment, and subscribe so that you can win.
Just drop Lambo in the comments.
That's right. Type Lambo down in the comments. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment Lambo, and you could win this gold-plated moon Lambo.
Lambo! It's a freaking Lambo!